everyone, this is Athena back with another video. First of all, wishing you all a very happy and a safe Diwali. On this Diwali, we are here with a good news. Yes, World Health Organization granted Covaxin an emergency use listing, which means WHO has approved Covaxin and it's getting added to emergency use listing. It is not just a good news but actually a proud moment because Covaxin is a made in India vaccine and now it has been recognized by WHO. And we were expecting the final decision on November from WHO, but we already know that the final decision could be positive because on November 1st itself, Australia and few other countries have already recognized Covaxin. And this news gives a big relief for the people who have taken Covaxin and have been wondering whether they will be able to travel to US or any other international travel. And when it comes to India, more than 1 billion people have already got vaccinated, and the people who are planning their international travel should download their international certificate from CoWIN app, which would be a major proof for you to travel. The point to be noted here is, though we have already got the news that WHO has approved Covaxin, the official CDC website is not yet updated in the list of approved vaccine. But no worries, they might take a day or two, and as I'm making this video, it is not yet updated. But they have already given a statement that CDC is accepting FDA approved vaccine and WHO approved vaccine, and now that Covaxin falls under WHO approved vaccine, no worries, you can travel to US without any issue with the fully vaccinated certificate after 14 days of your vaccination. For the fully vaccinated travelers who hold a valid visa and planning to travel to US starting November 8th, along with the passport and other travel documents, you should have 3 main documents which will be checked by the airlines before boarding. And the 3 main documents are, number 1, you should provide the proof of vaccination, which is the vaccination certificate, and you can download this vaccination certificate from CoWIN app. And preferably you download international travel certificate because the information in the vaccination certificate is very important, like the name and the date of birth should match with the vaccination certificate and passport details. Number 2, you should provide the negative RT-PCR test taken within 3 days before your boarding. Number 3 is the new document which has been added to the mandatory document list, which is the attestation document. And this attestation document is required by the United States federal law. All airlines will collect the passenger's attestation document on behalf of the US government. And basically, this attestation document gives the details about the passenger's vaccination status, whether they are fully vaccinated or whether they are traveling under any exception criteria, and what are the quarantine rules or the procedure they have to follow after arriving in US. And for the people who are asking about what is this attestation document, how does it look like, and what is the options available, what options you have to choose, we will share the complete information in our next video. The next update is on travel. US Embassy has already estimated that more than 3 million valid visa holders will be able to travel with their proof of vaccination starting November 8th. And many people are trying to get their tickets booked, and one side the demand is huge, on the other side the prices are going crazy high. And India has already announced that they are extending the international flight ban till November 30. But the flights under the air bubble agreement is in operation, and we expected number of schedules to be increased in coming days. And now Air India has updated that they are planning to increase the frequency between New Delhi to Chicago from 6 days to 7 days starting November 3rd of 2021 till March 23rd of 2022. So as expected, they are increasing the number of schedules, and we can expect many more schedules to be increased on the other route as well. But for that, we can wait for the next update. As the air bubble agreement is still in place, the options for the travelers who are planning to travel from India to US are a bit limited. But with the experiences shared by the viewers and friends, the direct flights options are always the best, which is Air India and United Airlines. And you can go with your own comfortable itinerary and make sure that the route you choose is safe and hassle-free route. As we have got an update for Covaxin from WHO, there are people who have taken Sputnik vaccine and were questioning whether they will be able to travel to US with the vaccination certificate. Right now, the Sputnik vaccine is not included in the emergency use of WHO approved vaccine list. So unless and until you fall under the exception criteria, you will not be able to travel. So these are the updates that we have for today, and in coming videos we will see the detailed version about the attestation document and how to update the details in CoWIN app and how to download the international travel certificate, which is very important in coming days. But for that you have to stay tuned with Purna Arti Vlog for more and more updates on Embassy Immigration Travel and Vlogs. Stay healthy, stay safe, take care, bye bye.